Hi, I'm Renee Jones from Young Change Agents, and today we're at the Cobb & Co Queensland Museum in Toowoomba doing a youth incubation program. Now this program has come about thanks to the Queensland Government, and this is all about celebrating diversity and inclusion. So all of our schools and teams here today have been through a one-day discovery program where they really unpacked what is diversity, what is inclusion, what does it mean to them, and what are some really big challenges and problems they want to solve. From that one day, they're now here doing a youth incubator where we have mentors coming in, we have master classes, and students are really going a lot more in depth with their ideas. By the end of this 2 days, they will be able to go to commercialisation, they will have mentors that can support them along the way, and they've really got to unpack and pretty much repack their idea and solution to come up with something that's really going to allow us to celebrate diversity and inclusion in our community.
Well, we wouldn't have this idea if it wasn't for the workshop. Like, we made the idea and this whole website in the workshop, so yeah, that's the number one thing. And I feel like the workshop has perfectly gone through steps where it's like this sort of idea seems achievable, because otherwise if we kind of thrust it into it, we might feel overwhelmed in a sense.
This may not ever kick in, but in future we can actually start something up using these tools that we've learnt.
It's also really good to see all those people who have done great things, making research, consulting companies coming to tell us how we can improve, and also give us just information and facts that'll help us later in life, not just in the ink. And it's a great experience to meet all of them, talk to them.
Some of these mentors have been very influential, and definitely the information they've given us can definitely help connect and reach mate go further.